Hello everyone. Welcome to the Staper channel. Everyone loves playing games. Comment your favorite game. Let's go to the video without wasting time. Guys, don't waste your time by watching 15 to 20 minutes videos for earning. Let's make the strategy short and simple. This strategy we can set up in less than 5 minutes. And it has unlimited earning access. We can easily make $0 to $100 easily. Which is reality. It is absolutely free of cost strategy. And it works all over the world. With this strategy you will get paid every single day and week. But don't skip the video or you may miss key points. Before we dive into the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We are going to use this strategy by using CPAlead.com, which is available around the world. And now I will show you how to use this website very easily and earn a lot of money. I love this site because it helps to earn every single day, and this site is used by very big companies, which are Amazon.com, Netflix and many more. Just come up and click this button, sign up. Once you do that, it's gonna ask you sign up. As you can see, join CPA Lead Generation Network. Guys, you can sign up through Facebook or Google. This is what I love. Take a look at this $1 minimum payment, and I am gonna show you how to make up to 100 with this. As you can see, daily and weekly payments, as I said before. If anyone don't know what CPA means, it's cost per action. If you sign up, it's gonna bring you to this dashboard, simply your back office. With this dashboard you can see how much sale you made, and your offers, your stats and landing pages. Now take a look at this filter, guys. It show you which country. You got offer types, devices. And when you come down you can see offers, and you can see payouts. This payouts acts under cost per action method that contains any purchase or sign up. This companies will drive people to sign up for something and make money on their signups. Have a look, you got many offers here with pay you. If you open anything, let me show how it looks, and this is how you get if you open any offer. And watch carefully, this is your affiliate link. If you share this and anybody click into this link and signs up, you will get paid around $1. This is super simple and super easy. You don't need any skills to promote this link. All you need is copy this link, guys. If someone clicks this link and sign-ups, this CPA lead will send him an offer, which is available in his country. But how can get this free traffic, and how we gonna make it simple and easy? What you gonna do is just go to Facebook, as everyone use Facebook. And guys, in Facebook groups just search giveaways, and see how many groups available. Each group has thousands of members, but some of these are public groups, and some of these are private groups. Just sign up to these groups. You can see many groups based on gift cards and giveaways, which brings easy traffic if you can post with effective thumbnail, like giveaway $100 PayPal or Amazon gift card. Just click the link. You can create best thumbnails in canva.com, and make your earnings start immediately. For more simple earning videos, please like, share and subscribe and show your interest in earning. Don't forget to like,